Honestly, I feel so good.
So nice.
So good right now. I think it was perfect.
It was perfect.
It was perfect. It was raining.
Yeah.
Raining.
And it stopped.
Because it's meant to be.
Love is what we all share. It's the great unifier, our one universal truth that no matter who we are, where we've come from, what we believe, we know this one thing. Love is what we're doing right. And this is why Reslie and Henry are standing here today. Everyday moments fused together into one big experience. And even though this experience is so incredible, words fail us when we try and explain it. That's just the way it is with love. It's meant to be witnessed, not described. And all of you will witness that love here today.
Please make room for a lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Chow.
Reslie and I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone for coming out tonight and showing us so much love. Each person in this room is amazing and have made a special impact in our lives, and that is why we're here.
This is the best night ever.
Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life gives us a fairy tale.
Tonight would not be possible without my wife, Reslie. She's the real MVP.
And I want to thank my new husband, Henry Chow. Thank you for understanding me and my vision. So take my
We have all loved in our lifetimes, and the ability to love is the very best part of who we are as people. Love is the experience of writing your story. It's not one moment, it's every moment.
How do you feel right now? I feel pretty good. Pretty good. I was nervous yesterday more than today. It'll be good. It'll be a good day.
Happy wedding day. Happy wedding day.
Happy for you, man. It's gonna be awesome.
She's gonna cry.
Don't do it.
She's all of our moms.
Yeah.
She takes care of us no matter what.
I like how she tells us how it is, even though we don't want to hear it.
She's her own self and she does things her way.
Yeah.
No, Reslie just cares.
Yes. She's always there to listen and always gives advice. Really good.
I can always bet on her.
Oh, so nice.
Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and two people who are in it forever.
There's a lot of people watching.
Henry,
Reslie Lauren Lopez, my little pangit.
Thank you for giving me your heart. I know that we are in this together for all the types of days and nights.
You're beautiful.
Every day, I vow to choose you over and over, and I vow to choose us.
I will be your best friend, your biggest fan, and a good husband. Every day, for the rest of my life, I will love you unconditionally.
Thank you for making me believe in forever again, because with you, forever makes sense. I love you, Henry.
I love you.